Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about COTERRA Energy Inc. Annual Report. COTERRA Energy Inc. is a leading independent oil and gas company that provides various businesses and services in the United States. The company's primary focus is on the exploration, development, and production of oil, natural gas, and natural gas liquids across its extensive properties. The company operates in several key regions, including the Permian Basin, Marcellus Shale, and Anadarko Basin. In these areas, COTERRA Energy Inc. engages in various activities such as drilling, extraction, and processing of hydrocarbons. The company also provides natural gas gathering and disposal services through its extensive network of pipelines and facilities. In addition to its core operations, COTERRA Energy Inc. sells its natural gas to a diverse range of customers, including industrial companies, local distribution companies, oil and gas marketers, energy companies, pipeline operators, and power generation facilities. This highlights the company's ability to supply natural gas to various sectors of the economy, contributing to the country's energy needs. Overall, COTERRA Energy Inc.'s business model is centered around the exploration, production, and sale of oil, natural gas, and natural gas liquids in the United States. The company's extensive properties, infrastructure, and customer base make it a significant player in the domestic energy market. COTERRA Energy Inc. market capitalization of $25 billion is significantly larger than the average industry peer of roughly $1 billion. This shows that COTERRA Energy Inc. holds a significant advantage in their industry. COTERRA Energy Inc. trades at a higher price-to-earnings ratio of 15 times and a higher price-to-book ratio of 1.72 times relative within the industry. While the stock does not screen as absolutely cheap, mixed valuation signals relative to industry peers prevent a definitive conclusion. With the broader industry trading at lower valuation levels, this may reflect transitional pricing dynamics rather than clear mispricing, warranting further analysis of earnings quality, growth sustainability, and balance sheet strength. The company maintains a moderate leverage profile, with liabilities making up 39% of total assets, suggesting a balanced approach between risk management and capital efficiency. Liabilities have grown faster than assets and equity, which is somewhat concerning. However, asset growth remains positive, suggesting management may be temporarily leveraging liabilities to fund expansion. Shareholder equity has grown consistently, but operating income growth is weak or inconsistent. Equity expansion may be driven by financing activities rather than core business profitability. The company has continued buybacks despite weak revenue growth, raising questions about capital allocation priorities. The company have a dividend yield of 2.62%. The income statement shows that the company revenue have been declining annually and operating income have not been increasing. This shows that the business is under pressure with rising cost and its management is unable to expand the business. Management is emphasizing the company's long-term strategy and commitment to its business goals. This approach is guided by a deep understanding of the oil and gas industry, with a focus on reducing emissions and operating efficiently. The company aims to reduce costs through optimized drilling and completion methods, while also aligning executive compensation incentives with stockholder interests. Overall, management is projecting a stable and sustainable outlook for the company, with a strong emphasis on responsible business practices. The company's financial history reveals a commitment to rewarding its shareholders through dividend payments. According to the provided information, there is clear evidence of the company paying out dividends to its investors. Specifically, page 19 lists individual recipients of these dividend payments, providing a tangible example of this practice. Furthermore, page 32 explicitly confirms that the company has indeed paid dividends, leaving no doubt about its financial policies. That concludes the financial summary for COTERRA Energy Inc. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.